The animal kingdom is a vast and diverse realm, teeming with an astonishing array of creatures. From the mighty elephants to the smallest insects, animals captivate our imagination and fill the world with wonder. But have you ever wondered how these animals are categorized and classified? In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the fascinating world of animal classification, delving into the various kingdoms, phyla, and classes that make up the animal kingdom. Hello, and welcome to a new video about the kingdom of animals. Today we will talk about animals' characteristics and classification. Let's start. Understanding animal classification. Animal classification is the process of categorizing animals into different groups based on their characteristics. This classification system helps scientists and researchers better understand the relationships between different species and provides a framework for studying and organizing the vast diversity of animals on Earth. The classification of animals is based on a hierarchical system, starting from the broadest categories and gradually narrowing down to more specific groups. The Linnaean taxonomy, the foundation of modern animal classification, can be attributed to the work of Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus. In the 18th century, Linnaeus developed a hierarchical system known as the Linnaean taxonomy. This system organizes living organisms into a hierarchical structure of groupings called taxa. Each taxon represents a specific level of classification, from the broadest category to the most specific. The primary levels of animal classification in the Linnaean taxonomy include kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. By assigning organisms to each of these taxonomic levels, scientists can categorize animals based on shared characteristics and evolutionary relationships. The animal kingdom, a diverse tapestry of life. The animal kingdom, also known as Kingdom Animalia, is one of the major kingdoms in the Linnaean taxonomy. It is a vast and diverse group that encompasses all living and extinct animals. Animals are characterized by several key features that set them apart from other organisms: multicellularity and eukaryotic organization. All animals are multicellular, meaning they are composed of more than one cell. Unlike single-celled organisms, such as bacteria, animals have complex cellular structures and specialized tissues that perform specific functions. Additionally, animals are eukaryotes, which means their cells have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Heterotrophic nutrition. One defining characteristic of animals is their mode of nutrition. Unlike plants, which can produce their own food through photosynthesis, animals are heterotrophs. This means they rely on external food sources for energy and nutrients. Animals have various feeding strategies, including herbivory, carnivory, omnivory, and parasitism. Mobility and nervous system. Most animals are capable of movement, at least during certain stages of their life cycle. Mobility allows animals to search for food, find mates, escape predators, and explore their environment. This ability to move is facilitated by a well-developed muscular system and a complex nervous system. The nervous system enables animals to receive and process sensory information, coordinate movement, and carry out complex behaviors. Reproduction and life cycles. Reproduction is a fundamental aspect of animal life. Most animals reproduce sexually, with specialized reproductive organs and processes. The life cycles of animals can vary greatly, depending on the species. Some animals undergo metamorphosis, transitioning through distinct stages of development, while others exhibit direct development, with offspring resembling miniature adults from birth. The 5 classes of vertebrates: Vertebrates are a group of animals that possess a backbone or vertebral column. They belong to the phylum Chordata and are further classified into 5 main classes: mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Class Mammalia. Mammals, including humans, are members of the class Mammalia. They are characterized by several key features. Mammary glands. Mammals produce milk to nourish their young. Hair or fur. Mammals have hair or fur that provides insulation and protection. Endothermy. Mammals are warm-blooded, meaning they can regulate their body temperature internally. Diaphragm. Mammals have a diaphragm, a muscle that aids in breathing. Mammals exhibit a wide range of diversity, from tiny mice to massive elephants, and are found in diverse habitats worldwide. Class Aves. Birds belong to the class Aves and are known for their ability to fly. They have several unique characteristics like feathers. Birds are the only animals that possess feathers, which are essential for flight and insulation. Hard-shelled eggs. Birds lay hard-shelled eggs which protect and nourish their developing embryos. Beaks and wings. Birds have specialized beaks adapted for different feeding habits and wings for flight. Birds exhibit a remarkable diversity of species, ranging from tiny hummingbirds to majestic eagles. Class Fish. Fish are a diverse group of aquatic vertebrates that belong to the class Fish. They are characterized by the following features. Gills. Fish have specialized respiratory organs called gills, which extract oxygen from water. Scales. Most fish have scales that provide protection and reduce friction in water. Fins. Fish possess fins, which aid in locomotion and maneuverability in water. Fish inhabit a wide range of aquatic environments, including oceans, rivers, and lakes. They come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, showcasing the incredible diversity within this class. Class Reptilia. Reptiles, including snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles, are members of the class Reptilia. They share several common characteristics, for example, scales. Reptiles have scales that protect their bodies and prevent water loss. Ectothermy. Reptiles are ectothermic, meaning their body temperature is regulated by external heat sources. Amniotic eggs. Reptiles lay amniotic eggs, which contain specialized membranes that protect and nourish the developing embryos. Reptiles inhabit a range of habitats, from deserts to rainforests, and display a remarkable diversity of adaptations for survival. Class Amphibia. Amphibians such as frogs, toads, and salamanders belong to the class Amphibia. They have several unique characteristics such as metamorphosis. Amphibians undergo metamorphosis, transitioning from aquatic larvae to terrestrial adults. Moist skin. Amphibians have thin, permeable skin that allows for gas exchange and water absorption. Dual respiration. Amphibians can respire through their skin and lungs, depending on their life stage. Amphibians are typically found in moist environments and play vital roles in ecosystems as indicators of environmental health. The world of invertebrates. In addition to vertebrates, the animal kingdom also includes a vast array of invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that lack a backbone and make up the majority of animal species on Earth. They belong to the phylum Arthropoda, which includes classes such as insects and arachnids, as well as other phyla like mollusca and echinodermata. Class Insecta. Insects are the most diverse group of animals on Earth and belong to the class Insecta. They exhibit incredible adaptability and can be found in nearly every habitat on the planet. Insects have the following characteristics. 6 legs. Insects possess 6 legs, which are adapted for walking, jumping, swimming, or grasping. 3 body segments. Insects have a head, thorax, and abdomen, each with distinct functions. Exoskeleton. Insects have an exoskeleton made of chitin, which provides support and protection. The class Insecta includes a staggering number of species, estimated to be over 1 million, making them the most abundant animals on Earth. Other invertebrate classes. In addition to insects, there are numerous other classes of invertebrates. Some notable examples include Arachnida. This class includes spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites. Arachnids have 8 legs and 2 body segments. Mollusca. Mollusks, such as snails, clams, and octopuses, belong to this class. They have soft bodies and may possess shells. Echinodermata. This class includes starfish, sea urchins, and sea cucumbers. Echinoderms have a spiny outer covering and a unique water vascular system. These are just a few examples of the vast diversity and complexity within the world of invertebrates. Conclusion: the animal kingdom is a mesmerizing tapestry of life, filled with an incredible variety of species. Through the process of animal classification, scientists can unravel the intricate relationships and characteristics that define each group. From mammals to birds, fish to reptiles, and insects to invertebrates, each class has its own unique adaptations and evolutionary history. Exploring the animal kingdom provides us with a deeper understanding of the natural world and fosters an appreciation for the remarkable diversity of life on our planet. So let us continue to marvel at the wonders of the animal kingdom and protect the delicate balance of this extraordinary ecosystem. I hope that I have provided you with the useful information about animals. If you enjoyed our video, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add a comment to let us know if you like the content of the video, or you can suggest me an improvement. Please wait for the next videos about animals. See you soon.